Okay, in this lesson sikhuluma ngama-quadratic inequalities. So a quadratic inequality iyafana nelo kanje ne-linear inequality, but then this one is just an inequality equation with a quadratic expression. Like now my example la uyabona, ax squared plus bx plus c greater than 0. Labo greater than equal to less than or equal to less than, siwabiza ngokuthi amalo kanje ama-inequality signs angisho. So the first step in solving any quadratic equation, ne, including ama-quadratic inequalities nakhona, the first thing ukomele uyenze rewrite your equation into a standard form, ne. So but then kule lesson yanamuhla sizofocusa only on the number line method, ne. Ngoba ukhumbule phela ukusolve ama-quadratic inequalities, I think there's 3 ways you can solve. The first one is the number line method, the second one is the tabular method, the third one is the graphical method. So mina prefer the number line method because it's the most easiest one, ne? So yeah, I'll start the example. Let's start ngolo kanje. My examples la, x squared plus 5x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, ngithe the first step okomele usithathe in solving ama-quadratic inequalities, komele ubhale i-equation yakho in standard form. Like uma ubheka ngisho a standard form quadratic equation, i-example le angisho it's ax squared plus bx plus c. So lena i-arrange-ke kahle, ne. So from lana wenzani, uthola ama-factors wakho, usebenzisa the factoring method ukufactora lelo kanje, ukuthola ama-roots for lelo kanje le equation le. So it's greater than or equal to, funa 2 numbers ngizothi nangizi-multiply zinginike minus 6 and then nangizi-adda zinginikeze plus 5. I think it's 6 1 plus minus, ne. So mawuqeda ukuthola ama-factors wakho, ne, mawuqeda ukuthola ama-factors wakho kulelo kanje kule quadratic yakho, bheka sengiwatholile-ke. Now it's x minus 1 x plus 6, ne. Bese-ke nawuqeda uthi-ke u-apply ilo kanje i-zero factor law. Angisho i-zero factor law ithi x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 6 equal to 0, and then you solve for x is minus 6 and then x is equal to plus 1, ne. Lawa ama-solutions wakho in a normal quadratic equation, but then ukhumbule la solve ini ama-quadratic inequalities. Uma uthatha ukubheka la, ngivele ngasusa le inequality sign ngayi-replace ngani nge-inequality sign, ne. So lawa kusima-solutions wakho. Like if solve a normal quadratic equation bekuzoba ama-solutions wakho, but then ku-quadratic inequalities lama-roots lawa or lama-solutions wabizwa ngokuthi ama-critical values, ne. Lawa ma-critical values ukhumbule sosebenzisa a number line method. So kwamele sidrawe a number line bese-ke uplotha lamalo kanje lama-solutions wakho la, ne. So i-number line yethu izobukeka something like this. So u-minus 6 nasomplot uzoba somewhere la, and then u-plus 1 uzoba somewhere la, and then lelo kanje le number line i-continue up to infinity, ne. So u-0 uzoba somewhere here, ne. Okay ke lama-critical values wakho nasoceda ukwathola uwaplota on a number line, ne. So u-minus 6 ula, u-plus 6 ula, angisho lawa sithi yini ama-x values wethu la, so waplota along the number line, ne. So bheka-ke kwamele i-x value yami, ama-x values wami, ne, engizowathola as ama-solutions wami kwamele ngithi nangisubstitute ngawo la enhlek la phezulu on the original equation nangizo-substitute ama-x values wami kwamele the right hand side ibe equal to a positive number in order ukuthi le equation ibe true. Bheka bathi x squared plus 5x minus 6 must be greater than or equal to 0. So ngifuna ama-x values engizothi nangiwa-substitute into this equation anginike a positive number, because a positive number is the only number greater than 0, angisho? So funa ama-solutions esothi na-substitute ngawo lapha sinike a positive number ibe greater than 0, ne? So i-quadratic equation, ne? Ngikhuluma nge-quadratic equation, a normal one le ine-equal sign nje kuphela. Ama-roots wakho ilawa, ngisho, and lawo ma-roots wakho nawa-substitute kuleyo equation leyo uthola ini? Kwamele uthole u-0 kahle kahle, but then lana sina more than 2 solutions like in a normal quadratic equation, ne? So ama-solutions wethu esowathola siwabiza ukuthi ama-set of solutions, angisho? So bheka-ke manje into yokuqala oyenzayo in order ukuthi uthole lama-x values ukuthi nawu-substitute ngawo kunike a positive number, uqala so-ke uzotesta for ama-solutions are greater than or equal to 1. This inequality sign kwamele ifane nale inequality sign efana uyithole kulo original equation, ne? Bese uyabuya futhi utesta ama-numbers up between -6 and 1, angisho, up between -6 and 1, ne? Bese uyabuya uyi-check for ama-x values or ama-solutions up between, like not up between, are less than or equal to -6. Ngifuna ama-solution ngathi ngifuna ukutesta ama-values ka-x are greater than or equal to 1 nama-x values are between -6 and 1, and then nama-solutions are less than -6, ne? So singathatha any number greater than 1 asisebenzise u+5. I think ngithole i-calculator. Okay, now again. Right. So sifuna a number, an x value that's greater than 1, angisho? That's greater than 1. So asebenzise u5, sebenzise u5 squared plus 5x. Uyabona mos le x value ngifuna ukutesta ngayo ngisubstitute into the original equation. So times 5 minus 6 is equal to, ngithola ubani? U44, which is positive, ne? So singatesta nangenye value greater than, a greater than positive 1, ngaba ubani? Ngaba say 50. Let's say 50. Ngithola a positive 2744. So in other words, there's no need to substitute nga more than one value. Ungasebenzisa just one value ubone ukuthi ilo kanje answer engitholayo kanjani, ne? I-sign yale answer engitholayo kanjani. Like lana ngisubstitute ngo5 ngathola positive number, ngasubstitute ngo50 ngathola a positive number. So ngamanye amagama achaza ukuthi every value greater than 1 engizoyithola izonginika positive numbers. Ngathini izonginika a positive solution. Like nangisubstitute ngayo la inginikeza what? A positive solution, which is true for the statement, ne? Okay, asibuyele back kule number line yethu. Now asiteste ama-solutions wethu for a number that's between -6 and 1. Ngaba ubani? U0, between -6 and 1, including u-half nakhona, but then I think u0 ukahle. So nangisubstitute ngo0 ngithola a negative solution, angisho? Asiteste ngenumber a less than -6. Ngaba ubani? Ngaba u-9, and then minus 9 angisho, and then minus 9. So answer yami kuyoba ubani? Positive 30. Yabona, positive 30. Bheka nalama sign ayenzani, aya alternate nakhona. Ave ngithola positive ngapha iba negative, ngapha ibanjani eba positive, but then asichubeke ngale problem le, ne? So bheka ke manje, i-answer yami yokuqala engitholile benjani, ibe positive, yaba negative, yaba positive ngapha, ne? So ngamanye amagama kuchaza ukuthi ama-solutions wethu, ama-solutions for le equation le, ne? Ama-solutions, it's wonke ama-x values are greater or equal to 1, ne? And wonke ama-x values are less than or equal to minus 6. Ama-solutions wakho lawo, ne? Ukhumbule kwamele ngithi nangisubstitute ngo-x anginike a positive number ngisho, and then ama-x values engithi nangisubstitute ngawo anginike a positive number imaphi? Abo-x values aba greater or equal to 1. And then amanye ama-x values engithi nangisubstitute ngawo anginikeze a positive number yimaphi? Lama-x values are less than or equal to 6. So lama values are between minus 6 and 1 anginikeza a negative number. Ngathi nangisubstitute a number between minus 6 and 1 ngithola a negative number ngapha, which yenza le statement sibe untrue. So lawa awekho part of i-solution. I have only two sets of solution, all x values greater than or equal to 1 and amanye ama-x values are less than or equal to minus 6. So let's start another example. Let's start another one. Ufuna ukuwipe la. Oh man, okay. My tissue. Okay. So the first thing oyenzayo yini ukubhala your equation in a standard form angisho. So nayenye la, x squared plus 9x minus 36 greater than 0, ne? So uzosebenzisa i-factoring method la. Oh well, by the way, ungakhona ukusebenzisa ne-quadratic formula uma ufuna, ne? Ungakhona ukusebenzisa i-quadratic formula uma ufuna, or ungacomplete ne-square nakhona na ufuna. Angisho there's 3 ways of solving ama-quadratic equations, but then mina I prefer the factoring method. But then nangabe i-factoring method ayisebenzi ku-quadratic yakho, just use i-quadratic formula yakho, ne? So 36 ama-factors wakhona, I think it's 3 and 12, and then plus and minus, yes. So uzothola ini ama-critical values wami. By the way, lena already ku-standard form. So ngathola ama-factors bese ngenzani? Ngithola ama-critical values wami. X plus 12 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0, according to the 0 factor law, equal to minus 12x equal to plus 3 angisho. Okay, sengithola ama-critical values wami ngiyoyenzani? Ngizowathatha ngiwaplothe ku-number line yami, ne? So u-minus 12 nangu, u-plus 3 nangu, u-0 somewhere la angisho, u-0 wami somewhere la. But be careful, i-discussion yakho kwamele ibe around ama-critical values wakho angisho. So sengitholile ama-critical values wami, ngizotesta for ama-solutions. Ngifuna ama-solutions ka-x, ngifuna ama-values ka-x engizothi ngiwa-substitute onto the original equation, ne? ngizothi nangisubstitute ku-x bar banginike a positive number which is greater than bani 0, angisho. So ngifuna lawo ma-solutions lawo, angisho. So bheka-ke manje, greater than, ngizocala ngiteste for amalo kanje, ama-values ka-x that are greater than 0. Ukhumbule le inequality sign oyisebenzisa la kwamele ibe same as the inequality sign on the original equation, angisho. Like on the previous example sibe no greater than or equal to, but then last no greater than, nala ngizoba nobani, no greater than. So sorry, a greater than 3, ne? A greater than 3, and then ngizobuya ngibheka ama-solutions that are between -12 and 3, x, and then ngibuye ngibheke ama-solutions are less than -12, angisho. So asiwatheste-ke, asithathe any value that's greater than 3, asebenzise u-6 squared plus 9, 6 minus 36 is equal to, ngithola a positive number, ne? Ngithola a positive solution every time ngisubstitute an x that's greater than 3. Singathesta ngalawa amanye, but then anyway always sothola a positive number, ne? So bheka-ke, a rule of thumb ithi uma uceda ukuthola iloka i-sign yakho la, nangabe it was positive la, ne? Azo-alternate lama sign. If it's positive here, lama solution wangapha azoba negative, lawa azoba positive. Singawathesta, but then ngibona ngathi sizoshawa isikhathi la, ne? Sizoshawa isikhathi la. So anyway, bheka-ke, if this was positive, ngapha kuzoba negative, ngapha kube positive. If sithole negative answer ngapha it was gonna be positive, ngapha kube negative. So bheka-ke manje, ngoba ngifuna ama-x values nangisubstitute ngawo anginike a positive number, angisho. So ama-x values imaphi anginika a positive number, ubani? Wonke ama-x values are greater than 3, namanye ama-x values are less than -2. So ama-solutions wami akuphi? Angapha nangapha. Nangisubstitute ngalama x values are between -12 and 3, ngithola a negative number, which makes this statement njani? False. So ama-solutions wami now again, ubani? U-x greater than 3 and x less than -12. Ama-solutions wami lawo, ne? Sometimes bangathi kuwe plotter amalo kanje ama-solutions wakho on the number line, sikhombise wona on the number line. So ngibona ngathi ku-messed up lapha, ngizoyi-redraw le number line la. It's -12, 3, angisho. It's -12 and 3. So ngapha it's positive, ngapha it's negative, ngapha it's positive, angisho. So ama-solutions wami akuphi? Yonke ama-solutions, ama-x values are greater than 3. Every value that's greater than 3, and then every value that's less than 12, ne? So bheka-ke, another thing, uma uplotta uzosebenzisa ama-circles, angisho, like on a, whenever usolva amalo kanje ama-linear inequalities, angisho bebathi uwaplotte so on a number line. So nala siyawaplotta-ke nakhona. Sometimes banokuthi ikhombise ama-solutions wakho on a number line. So if it's only greater than or less than, angisho, wenzani? You leave the circles open, angisho. But then if it's greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, ne? Uyawavala lama circles ngoba lana sino greater than kuphela. So wenzani? Sizowashiya avulekile, so, ne? So yeah, ama-solutions wakho ilawo, angisho. Okay, asithathe one more. Let's take one more. Take one more. Alright, now let's take one more example. So let's say x squared minus 6x plus 5 less than equal to 0. So how about this time series quadratic formula, ne? So a1 b minus 6 c plus 5 ngoba ngitheni ungakhona ukusebenzisa i-quadratic formula uphinde usebenzise ne-factoring method. La i-factoring method ngayi-apply but then ngifuna ukukukhombisa ukuthi namanye ama-options ungakhona ukuwasebenzisa. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to minus b, it's minus 6 plus negative 6 squared minus 4a, it's 1c, it's 5 all over 2a, it's 1. So x is equal to, we extend until is cover minus ngoba this minus is part of the numerator so it's plus 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 20 over 2. X is equal to plus 6 plus minus, so 36 minus 20, it's 16 2 over 2. So x is equal to plus 6 plus minus square root of 16, it's 4, so over 2 over 2. So in a 2 yama solutions, one is plus 6 plus 4 over 2. Answer ubanda 6 plus 4, it's 10 over 2, it's plus 5. X is equal to plus 6 minus 4 over 2, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 divided by 2, it's 1. It's 1. So therefore x1 is equal to, it's x is equal to plus 5, x is equal to 1. So after lapho wenzani uplotter your solutions, your critical values. Kahle kahle besithola ini lana, besithola ama critical values ke, ne? Besithola ama critical values. So from lana ke wenzani uyamplotter u1 wakho, uplotter no5 wakho, angisho ama critical values wami la. U0 wami somewhere ngapha ngisho yena, ne? So this is 1 and 5. This is 1 and 5. So from lana wenzani uchecka wonke ama solutions wakho, enhle kuchecka bonke abu x aba greater or equal to 5. So remember it's greater or equal to ngoba nelo kanye inequality sign yami ku original equation inobani equal sign. Yazi ukuthi ithi less than la, but then testa ini ama solutions wethu siqala ngo greater or equal to 5 and then nama values ka x are between 1 and 5. Ukhumbule kuma linear equations konje sitheni, konje batheni bathe this is a compound linear equation angisho. So lo less than or equal to chaza ukuthini, chaza ukuthi it's an end statement angisho. But anyway asiqhubeke. So bese sibuye sitesta namapha ama solutions ka x less than or equal to 1 angisho. So asithathe a value ka x that is greater than 5 ikuqala, ne? That is greater than 5. So okay, so we'll back to the original equation that is greater than 5, an x value that's greater than 5 ubani 10 squared minus 6 times 10 plus 5 equal to, it's positive 45, ne? It's positive 45. So the answer yami la izoba njani, izoba positive. So ngamanye amagama chaza ukuthi every x value engizoyi substitute la izonginikeza what, a positive value, ne? Every x value greater than 5 we substitute into the original equation is only a positive number. So if I have positive la wonke ama-x value ngisubstitute ngawo la nginika a negative solution, lawa ngapha nginika a positive solution. Remember, now uthola isayini yangapha lawa amanye azo-alternate. If it's positive, it's negative, positive. If it's negative, it's positive and negative. So asibuyele back to the equation, ne? So in this equation siyabona la bathini bathi sifuna ama-values ka-x ayenza this expression ibe less than or equal to 0. So a value that's less than 0, it's a negative number, angisho? So a negative solution sithola kuphi? Between 1 and 5. Therefore isolution yethu ubani? It's all the x values that are between 1 and 5. So yeah, wasolva so ke amalo kanje ama-quadratic inequalities. So if we enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and then yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.